This is space, and this is an egg. 3 years ago, I set out to perform the world's highest egg drop, not from a building, but from the edge of space itself. The goal was simple: get an egg to survive a supersonic fall from 100,000 feet. What I didn't know was that this simple childhood challenge would become a masterclass in engineering, failure, and resilience. The plan seemed straightforward. Attach a protective capsule with an egg to a rocket, lift it to space with a massive balloon, release it, and guide it to a soft landing on a giant mattress. We'd use principles from Mars landings. How hard could it be? Spoiler, very hard. Our first attempts were educational. We learned about GPS interference, coding errors that sent rockets into death spirals, and the unpredictable winds of the upper atmosphere. Each failure was a puzzle. We were trying to build a precision-guided system. A conversation with a brilliant Aerospace engineer friend was a reality check. He asked, "How are you going to do that without building a missile?" The ethics and complexity made us rethink everything. So we scrapped the original idea. We pivoted. Our new design borrowed directly from NASA's Curiosity rover, a supersonic rocket, an aerosol, a parachute, and finally, impact-absorbing airbags. We even sewed a piece of actual Curiosity parachute material into our own. After months of redesign, we were in the desert for the final attempt. The stakes were high. We even built a simple, redundant backup, an egg in a padded beach ball dropped like a rock. To shots at glory, launch day, the balloon, thinner than a plastic bag, was our elevator to space. As it ascended past 100,000 feet, we watched in awe, then dread. A tangled cord had triggered the balloon's self-destruct mechanism. Our entire spacecraft was now in a chaotic, high-speed descent attached to a shredded balloon. It was our Apollo 13 moment. All our hopes rested on the autonomous systems. Would the payload detect the disaster and eject itself in time to deploy the parachute? I see something orange. Okay, let's look through the window. A little dirt. What do you see? Pretty good. Definitely touchdown. Let's check to be sure. Touchdown confirmed. We are safe on Earth. This egg went to space and back. Not how we planned, but it worked. 2 for 2. The simple backup worked just as well as the complex spacecraft. There's a lesson in that. This journey was about more than an egg. It was about the process, breaking down huge problems, learning from every failure, and having the tenacity to try again with better information. That's the engineering mindset. It's what allows us to land rovers on Mars or pull off the world's most ridiculous egg drop. This humble egg is a reminder. The greatest achievements are built on a foundation of cracked attempts.